Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to print PDF file 4 pages in one page. Printing multiple pages of a PDF onto a single sheet of paper is a great way to save ink and paper. This feature is often called printing and pages per sheet. So here is how to print 4 pages on one sheet across the most common platforms. So first you need to open the PDF file in the Adobe Acrobat editor and then press Ctrl P. So first you need to select your printer. For example, I'll select this printer, and now under the page sizing and handling section click the multiple button, and now next to the paper sheet open the drop down menu. Here is the paper per sheet. You need to click this and select the 4. And now you can check the print preview on the right side of window to ensure the layout looks perfect. And now click print to proceed. So with this way you can easily print PDF file 4 pages in one pages. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.